You can talk to this. Yes, I want to do a natural than yours. I just need to push. You want to. You want to pick CM Punk, Brody? Then why did you pick it? Yeah, I want to pick CM Punk. You do? Yeah. What did Chris say? Okay, we're starting a match. We're starting the match. We're starting the match. Play. Here I come. If you're like one of my friends watching this, like Ben, Kevin, Mark, you do not like this shit. And especially
on the way to the ring. Weighing 209 pounds, one half of the WWE Tag Team.
You gotta stop jumping. Let me touch me.
And his tag team partner. From Chicago, Illinois, weighing in at 222 pounds.
I'm saving it.
Here comes the voice of the voiceless. He's as dangerous outside the ring as he is inside.
Come on if it slips it. I know it does. You played this game before, didn't you? Actually, we did not just get this game. We got it last Christmas. Last Christmas. Not from under the tree. I got it from my Nana, and then I got the Xbox on that day. You probably seen some of my videos. Well, like rock and roll Halloween. You might see me do like 3 videos of me doing Minecraft. This is probably my 6th video I made, or my 5th. Okay. Brody, can you talk now? You're not doing anything. Oh, yeah, but I don't like talking. I don't like talking. Okay. We're almost done playing. We're almost playing on the way.
These two teams ready to go into the collar and elbow tie-up. Only one can come out ahead. He's got him up.
Brody's in trouble.
Wow. One fierce kick. Neither individual is going to back down here.
What? How did I reversal that?
Every time I see this.
Okay, Brody, how are you going to get help? Because I need help
I
here.
get a chill down my spine.
Make it a reversal. Make it a reversal.
Being shown by CM Punk here. This place is coming alive now. Chip your teeth.
I'll help you. Get out of here, Undertaker. Get out of here, Undertaker.
These competitors will always be looking to release their finishing maneuver. In the match can change in a heartbeat.
What? How does this happen? I've been in the match before. Me and Brody are beating them down right now.
Rollins very comfortable up there, prepared. Whoa!
Oh!
So much on the line in this one. Like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in the WWE. Again, no countouts. These competitors can do whatever they want outside of the ring.
You're dying, man. You're dying.
How much damage did that?
Oh, you mainly went on
All kind of things underneath that ring. Steel chair, table, ladder, hear it. Oh my gosh, he stopped it. Man, I thought he was done for.
It's not near it. It's not near it.
Remember, momentum in the WWE. If he can win this, he might just win the match.
Woo!
Not even close.
Oh!
Not again. Oh, and did you hear the impact? That can cut you. Break. Hey! Wow, he was just about to get his head taken off. If you're just tuning in, Michael Cole, along with WWE Hall of Famer Jerry the King Lawler, welcoming you to this amazing sold-out event.
If you have this
And he wants
game,
to get out of there in the worst way.
this game is very...
Oh, I don't know if the ladder's going to be up to task after that. Remember, this is no disqualifications. That weapon is about as legal as a headlock. This Seth Rollins has a funny way of
Jump for a
making
sec.
bad situations
Oh!
even worse.
Brody, press Y to him. The top button. It's the top button. Top button.
And he gets escorted back to the ropes.
I'm staring at Brody. Brody, he had a comeback. No way. Comeback, just that.
I just can't get over the physicality
Comebacks
of
are
this
actually
match.
good. If you got beaten so bad, you can...
And again, the fight spills over onto the rungs of the steel ladder.
Get out of here.
Oh, careful.
Hold it! Woo! 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 Woo!
Nearly got away from it.
No! Oh, finisher.
And he wants to get out of there in the worst way.
Oh, the
There's
finisher?
so many ways he could beat.
Brody, wait.
Starts breaking the
Brody,
rules.
press Y, press Y, press Y. You should have pressed Y.
He is joining us. Welcome to Monday Night Raw. I'm Michael Cole, alongside the Hall of Famer Jerry the
I'm
King
the
Lawler.
Undertaker, Brody. I'm the Dollar Guy. Why? How did Undertaker?
Struggling for control.
I should do my finisher. Finisher.
Wow,
Do
there's the
my
big power of the
finisher.
pound. And he wants to get out of there in the worst way. Wild
Hold it! He's gonna get the tail!
That's it. He's done.
Brody, press A near the ladder. Press A near the ladder. Press A!
Just about anywhere.
Bye, Sheamus.
Rollins just has so many ways he could beat.
Brody, press
And then
Y.
starts breaking the
Press the
rules.
top button. There, you're doing your finisher. Press Y now.
When Monday Night Raw hits,
You're doing your finisher.
Do yourself a favor. And
Oh, I reversed him.
Hey, did you see that? Oh man, it doesn't get much closer than that. Drop, and that was a hard,
And then you're
hard shot. And there's the ladder.
Help me! I
Watch it.
can't.
Oh, stop.
Please let me beat me! Brody, press Y. Come back. You're doing your comeback. Press Y to
I
Undertaker.
can't believe everything that's transpired thus far.
You're doing your
It's been
comeback.
so physical,
Do your
and that punch lands
comeback.
hard. And the knuckles- We talk a lot about Undertaker. He is a man that personifies man. And I don't take the wind out of your sails.
Oh!
He came down on that ladder.
Bam.
Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
Brody, good job, did that. Good job, you did that. Bam, you're going
He gets straight into the ladder once more.
You're getting out of here, Undertaker. You two. You get out of here.
I have a feeling under normal circumstances, we would have seen a pinfall by now. But this one isn't about pinfalls, Cole. It's about climbing that ladder.
Fight! Brody, fight Sheamus.
Walk.
Oh, Tone Stone, not gonna happen. One move. How are you gonna beat me, Al? I'm the Lord. he got hit by his own friend. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna win this. I have to win this. Everybody, I'm sorry I'm just meeting Brody is chatting in the game because we're just so excited to win this thing. We need to. But I'm thinking through the bottom. No, he's out.
That's it. He's out.
I'm not out. Who's out? You're out. You're out. Comeback. She's doing his comeback.
Bodies of
You know what?
cracked and
Bam.
burned.
I need a comeback. When do I get a comeback?
A shot fell
Because that's when you do a special move. It's pretty awesome. That's what. See, Sheamus did that too.
Scoop slam.
Brody had to come back, but he never did it.
Make this even more violent. Here he goes again. I don't know how much longer he can follow his fight, but
You're getting down, Sheamus. Get out of here.
into Monday Night Raw live and in high definition.
Good thing I did that.
King of
No one to take it.
Sheamus' strength. Yeah, you're right about
I
that.
don't want to fight him.
Anyone in the WWE that is as much
If
power
only
and
they
strength
could
as
feel
Sheamus.
good of me. Don't worry.
Odin, we're already at 11 minutes.
Okay. We'll have to end the video in a couple minutes, even if we didn't finish
above the
it.
ring. Who
Okay.
has what it takes to bring it down?
I don't know how this video's gonna end. Someone win.
And he reversed it. Good move there.
Stop it, you fart face. I need a comeback. Can I have a comeback? Just make him get. I want to get.
Bodies have crashed and burned. It's still that prized angles. Oh! Hey, did you see that? Oh, man. It doesn't get much
You're
closer
done.
than that.
You're done. You're done. It's done.
Heading back to the top.
Bad thing I did that. Bad thing I did that. You're getting. No! No, we can't. Thank you for watching this video, but we did not win. Maybe next time we do a video, we might win. So have a nice day, people. Bye.